Today I want to show you my new video light. You might have noticed in most of my YouTube video I use the daylight because at the night time I can't record any good video. So I thought, oh, maybe I should change this. Then I ordered this one from eBay and it cost me $61.50 US. It's saying YONGGUO YN 160. So 160 is mean 160 LED light. So let's open it and see what's inside. There's a bag. Here is an instruction in Chinese and mostly in Chinese. On the other side is in English. So what does it say? You can have a look later. What's that? This is the handle. And about here, a blue filter, a red filter, a white filter, orange filter. Everything nice with the protection so you won't get everything, no scratch. Beautiful. Okay, here's the light. This is in the back. Here there's a hot shoe for your camera. You can put it on top of your camera, just like here. You can see it. Anyway, oops, what's that? That's an adapter for camcorder battery. And here is the where you put the battery. You need 6 of the AA battery. Unfortunately, there's no power jack for external adapter. And the good thing of this one is you have the so-called open face light. And you can see here, I don't know how many, but I guess there must be 160 LED. I don't have the camcorder battery, so I can't show you, so we don't bother to put the adapter in there. So let me put the battery in and see how it goes. Maybe I should put the handle first. Then, how do I put the handle? Yes. Screw that back. Yes, I have difficulty to put the battery. Oh, I have to open this here. So you take this out. So let's put it in there. Test. Test. Make the room darker, then you can see. Okay, now the room is dark, so let me turn on the light. Shine on me. Oh, really bright. Reduce the power, add power, reduce the power, add. Get it darker. I can't really see the difference. Oh yeah, it's getting darker, darker, darker. And it's brighter, brighter. Okay, not bad. Let me try the filter. Oops. How to put the filter on? I have no idea. What can I do with the filter? Okay, maybe I just need to close both sides and the filter stick here. Yeah, maybe that's how it works. Can you see red light? A little bit. I can't really see. Is there any? Oh, it's red. Maybe you can't see it in the video. I can see it here. It's a little bit red. Let's recap. What is included? The light, the handle, the adapter for camcorder, batteries, and the horseshoes. You can replace it, the handle with the horseshoe, and 4 different color filters, and instruction which not you don't really need it, and a very nice velvet bag, and there's even some separator. You can put the handle here and you can put the filter here. It's really nice made for $60 US. That's not bad. It's good enough for YouTube video. Thank you for watching. Bye.